Jade Wisnibbin.
Yes, we are, which stands for the Fellowship of the Jedi Band Who Shall Not Be Named.
Right. So before we play our song for you, which we just wrote, we thought we'd give a shout out to our subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. We have a list here on my laptop of
people who've most commented. And
right. So okay, let's see. Our #1 subscriber is Graham's mommy.
Okay, yeah, and our #2 subscriber is Kaylee's hot mom. Kaylee's hot mom. That's really subtle.
Yeah, really subtle. So keep subscribing.
Here's a song.
Yeah, here's a song.
I played you on expert for a really long time,
and then I went to bed and realized that you were still on my mind.
Every time I close my eyes while lying there in bed,
I'll never get to sleep because those lights are in my head.
And they say red, green, orange, blue, combination green and blue, playing songs in my mind, you're with me all the time.
So to all you kids out there, we really don't mean to scare,
but Guitar Hero Vision sucks. It pulls you in like a magnetic flux.
That was really nerdy, Kaylee. One day when you're in class and your teacher calls your name,
you'll start to say something intelligent, but this is what you'll say.
You'll say
red, green, orange, blue, combination green and blue, playing songs in my mind, you're with me all the time.
One more time.
Red, green, orange, blue, combination green and blue, playing songs in my mind, you're with me all the time. You're with me all the time. You're with me all the time.
Yeah!
What? I don't even know what that was.
Okay, bye.